Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to share a very good story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is The Traveler Oliver. Once upon a time in a village there was a doctor named by Oliver, and he don't have any job. In the city he didn't find any job, and then he decided to work on a ship. Then he first on the first days he was earning a lot of money, very good money, and but at the end, at the middle, he found some trouble. And one day he went to his shop, and in the way the weather was very bad and there was a big storm in this ocean. And then the ship of the Olivers tipped over in the ocean. Then they all started to jump on the rolling boat, and then they started to save their life, but they couldn't. And the Olivers and his friends in the rolling boats drowned, and they tipped over the rolling boat too, and with the big wave. And then the Oliver was like doing this, and he was trying to save his life, and he was trying to be alive, but he tried a lot, and then he fainted. And after some hours he woke up and saw he is on a big shore, and he became very happy that I'm safe. I save, and then he became very delighted. And after that he started to go, but he was very tired, and then he fainted. And then when he woke up again, and he saw he is lying on the hot sand, and he is tied of many ropes, and there are a lot of little men and little men. There are a lot of little men standing near to me, and he was very exhausted, and he was feeling very tired. And then he was very scared that who are they. And then suddenly the king ordered to the soldiers that attack on them. They started to attack the Oliver. The Oliver started to cry. Then he said that please free me, I will not harm anyone. They all trusted the Oliver and freed him. And after that the Oliver started to work with them and started to help them. The king said that we will not let him go. We will take a lot of difficult work from them. He is big and he will help us. If he will not help us, we will kill him. And he is very useful for us. And then they started to make very we started to give him the food and water, and said that if you will help with us, we will not say anything to you, otherwise we will kill you. Everything was very small, and they were very small. Then he one day the king said that thought to himself that he is so powerful, and all are saying that he is powerful than the king, and they all well considered him the king, and became very worried and said what I will do. Then he ordered to the soldier that to kill the Oliver. Then the Oliver listening this, and then he scarcely hid behind the stone until the night. Then at the night time he went to the another island, and which was the that king's enemy's island. He was knowing that these are the enemies of that king, and the king had told that these are our enemies and they are so bad, do not go there, they will take very difficult work from you, and then they will beat you. But he was not trusting the king, and then he went to his enemy's island and saw they are so good, and they welcomed the Oliver and gave food and everything to you and him, and said that where are you from, and are you in trouble, we can help you. Then he said I am in very big trouble, I want to go home. And he was roaming to the desert, and finally he saw his rolling boat, and he became very happy. And then he said to the king that I need your soldiers' help to prepare my rolling boat. Then the all soldiers came and helped him to make the rolling boat better. Then he sat in the rolling boat and said bye to everyone, and started a journey. In the way he found a big ship, and he shouted that please help me, help me. Then the Then the shipman stopped the ship and said, "Please climb on the ship. We will save you." Then he climbed on the ship and then he went to the home. And that's it. The moral of this interesting story is, who are the bad men, they think for themselves, not for the others. And that's it. Thank you for watching.